Hello everyone. I'm Safi and I'm Sip and I'm Sara and I'm Full. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Safi and Sara's Crafty Corner. Hello! Hello everyone. Today I will be playing with this clay Charm DIY Jewellery Kit. I'm super excited and Mummy got it for me. Let's open it and see what's inside. I have a charm mold. I've got 9 packets of air dry clay. I've got 1 sculpting tool. I've got 26 double eye pins with jump rings. And I've got 5 double eye pins with lobster clasps. I've got curb chains, 1 clear elastic cord, 234 sorted beads, and 1 extraction sheet. It's long. Clear elastic cord. This information sheet gives you 4 techniques of what to do. Technique 1, make lighter shades. Technique 2, create new colors. Technique 3, make marble effect. Technique 4, use 2 colors. And this is to create your charms. Let's get started. We got this. Look at all of these. Chocolate, milkshake, pineapple, marshmallow, orange or apple, camera, smiley face, waffle, love, star, gummy bear, strawberry, grapes, lollipop, cupcake, pineapple. Woohoo! I'm gonna make a strawberry today. A strawberry charm. I'm gonna use pink and green. So we need to get a tiny bit of pink. I've got to push it in. I've got to stop and put my clasp in. That's the lobster clasp and that's the jump ring.
See? Wow, yeah.
Lobster clasp.
So have you got to put that onto there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you do it?
Yeah, I'll help you a little bit. Let me show you.
My clasp is in there and I've got to put more pink in to cover it up.
Good girl.
I got a little bit of green and I'm going to put it on the top of the strawberry. Now it's ready to dry. We'll take it out later. I made lots more. I've made a gummy bear, strawberry, heart, lollipop, flower, muffin, peach, marshmallow, pineapple, butterfly, chocolate. I'm gonna show you one. So I'm gonna do this marshmallow one.
Is it dry yet?
I don't know.
No, it takes time to dry.
And this is what it looks like.
Wow, I love it. You can just hang that on your bracelet, right? Where's your bracelet?
I don't really think it's dry enough. I'm gonna make these grapes. So I need a tiny bit of purple, and then I need to put it in. I need a bit more. I'm gonna get this and put it in.
Go.
And now I'm gonna cover it with a bit more purple.
Perfect. That's lovely.
Now we just have to wait for it to dry. I think I'm also gonna make an orange.
I love these charms.
Which one's your favorite? I made that one for you.
Oh, I love it. Thank you, sweetheart. I love the flower as well. I'm gonna love the grapes, I know it.
And can we see what the grapes look like later?
Yeah. Can't wait. What are these charms you're making? Are you making them for your bracelet?
Yeah.
Oh, we can make Sara
But
one
I
too.
made that one for
Oh,
you.
that's lovely. You can make Sara one
I
as
made
well.
that one and that one for you. I made that one for you and that one for Sara.
I love it. And you can put it on your bracelet.
Yeah. But Sara can put that one wherever she likes
Yeah.
because it's hers.
You're very good.
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. Excellent work, my love. Let's put it away now.
I made this bracelet with these beads for Sara.
Really pretty, love. Are you going to put the charms on it?
Yeah. Sara, I made this bracelet for you.
Oh, Sara, look. What do you think?
It was pretty. And basically, did you put any little charms with it? You can put any charms you like. I specially made that, taught you how to make that one for you. I made that one for you. I'm gonna put that one and that one on it. Or that dummy bear one.
That sounds good.
You want to put this one on that one?
Yeah, let's put that on her.
That one says smile.
Let's put that on her wrist now.
Here you go.
Can you put it on, Sara?
Put it on.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Wow, I love it. Do you like it, Sara?
Yeah. Mum, can we finish these?
Yes, let's pop them out now very gently.
Wait, can I start with the one that I've all started with?
Yes, very gently, and turn them around and put them here.
Can I try?
Sara wants to try one. Let Sara try.
Chocolate.
Very gently, Sara.
No, Sara.
You can use the little pink stick to get it out, but that's fine. Careful.
The other way.
Yeah, pop it down. What's that supposed to be?
Chocolate.
Yummy. Good girl. What's that one, love?
Marshmallow.
Whoa, it looks lovely.
I mixed that colour and the
Right.
light pink together.
Okay.
We didn't do my one.
Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. Love it. What's that one?
A waffle.
Who likes waffles here?
Me.
Yay. Pop it down. That's lovely. You can probably make earrings out of these.
Yeah.
You could have put some earrings.
In school, I'm not allowed dangly earrings.
But you can wear them at home.
Yeah.
I think you should make some earrings next. Get one more out and let Sara have a go then. Oh, that's lovely.
It's smooth, that one.
Now, Sara, your go, baby. You take some out. Oh, the lovely ice cream. I love that.
Mummy made that one.
Oh. Oh, I love it.
Put it right way, Sara.
Pineapple. Whoa.
Be gentle. Pineapple.
And a butterfly.
Sorry, you're pushing that.
Remember to push the back out
I
as
was
well.
going to do the butterfly.
It's all right. Lollipop, that's lovely. And I love the ice cream and a pineapple.
You made the ice cream silly.
Oh, yeah. I love all of them.
Nice.
Oh, I love that. Look at this. This is love. They're all lovely. Wow, look at these charms. They're beautiful.
Mommy, I can't find it.
Okay, already.
Mommy, can I just only... Oh, yeah, maybe the video.
Oh, are you choosing the charms you're going to put on your bracelet?
Yeah. And can I also get them on this one?
Yep.
And I also like the gummy bear.
Okay, we'll put these up here. So you want to put all these on, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so we're going to space them apart, don't we?
Mhm.
Space them apart how many you want. We can't have all of them. We need one left. Just one out of these two, please.
Oh, can I pick out of these?
Yeah, just pick one more. I think the blue would be nice.
Gummy big, gummy big.
Right, okay, put it there. So that's all the charms we're going to have for that one, okay? So we can see those. They're lovely, aren't they? So we just have to open them up with the pliers.
And can I flip that one for the butterfly?
Yes, fine, we'll do that in a second. We don't even need that because these are quite soft. So you can just open them up, put them through here, and then shut it here.
Chocolate.
And then another one. And pick some for Sara now, please.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna pick her one because I know
hold
she
that?
will.
Look, can you hold that? And then put it through this chain up here. So
The one next to your finger.
yeah. So put it through there if you can. Just it's very fiddly, so you have to be careful.
It's hard.
You can do it.
I did it, but now what do I do?
You close it.
This is gonna be Sarah's pile. Her one, your one.
Here we go.
This one. This one. I love my charm bracelet. This is a blue gummy bear. This is a lollipop. This is a strawberry. This is a chocolate, and this is a butterfly. And I'm gonna let Sara pick hers from this.
Wow, where's Sara's bracelet? This
Here.
one? Oh, she's gonna love that.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.